Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about United Microelectronics, and if you look at the long-term trend for this particular script, what you will see that the stock is indeed moving and making new moves after a very long time. So here you can see that after a span of a decade probably the stock is making move and indeed makes a big breakout. So these kind of breakout are very important in the life cycle of any particular script. So you can see here the stock is indeed making a breakout from its 2010 highs, okay, or above the 2010 highs, which was at 4.25. So it has made a breakout, and now the 4.25 level will definitely act as a support. Previously it was the resistance and now it will act as a support, and the stock was inside this trading range for the past 10 years. So this is what I am saying lots of time while discussing the long-term consolidating levels. So once the stock gives you a breakout, which you can see in this case, then you will make a move or think about an upside range. Okay, so here you will see that the stock has indeed made a breakout and it has started going up. So now we are going to discuss about the next phase for this stock movement, which will be on the upside. And but before that, let's first discuss the current trend and then we will look at the next trend. Now for this stock, now the first sort of support will come at 4.25. Below that you have your next support at 3.1, then you have 2.59, and you have 1.6 and probably 1.47. so this is the whole range and consolidation, and you can see different levels, price levels, which will now act as a support. Now with this big breakout, firstly with this kind of breakout, this is indeed a new trend if you look at the data for past 10 years. But if you are looking this data from past 20 years and from the year 2000, obviously it is a breakout and you can consider it as a rebound. Okay, so how do you look at it? So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to consider the length of this previous trend, which is around 150%. So with this breakout, what we can expect on the upside is the stock will definitely move the same amount of percentage on the upside as well. So what we can expect here as our next big target will be 10.83 or probably $10 on the upside. Okay, so this will be the target which one should look for, but there are lots of technical resistance or which will come in between. So let me just tell you one by one, because it should not go in one shot and it will definitely uh, take a pause in between and then again move off. So there will be consolidations, corrections. So with that, you have your first target or resistance at 5.3, then you will have 7.37, then we have 10.12 and 11, which is the range that one should look for, because the way the breakout has happened in the long term trend, the probability of reaching the target, which is in between $10 to $11 on the upside, is very high. But you have to consider a longer term time frame for that, probably couple of years, 2 to 5 years. But it is it can happen in days also, there is no doubt about it. Okay, so it can happen in days, but I'm just considering the normal circumstances where it would probably take 2 years, 3 years to have this move. But if it is happening in couple of trading hours or couple of trading days, then that's a different thing, and that is a very likely possibility. So whatever it may be, just play safe, and you should know that even the stock is going up, you should know your stop losses, you should know your support level, and you should always manage your risk and consider risk management as your first priority before jumping onto the profit. So you have your big target here, but there are lots of resistance which you need to taken care of. There are lots of support which you may find as a good level to buy also. So overall, you can look at this trend, but with this breakout, obviously what we are looking for a level which is higher than the current market price. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.